Hey everybody, welcome to Travel Shark. Looking for the best countries for digital nomads to visit and live? Or maybe you're looking for the right opportunity to pursue if you aren't already working, traveling, and living the life you dream of. Either way, we got you covered. Let's start with the best places to live and visit. Number 5. Tallinn, Estonia. Like many other places, Estonia now offers something called a Digital Nomad visa, which allows you to stay in a foreign country for longer than a normal visa. In this case, it's up to 12 months. Additionally, Estonia is part of the Schengen Zone visa system, which is a zone of 26 countries. Once you're approved for this type of visa in Estonia or one of the other participating countries, you can move around within this zone as much as you'd like. So if weekends in Sweden, Finland, France, Italy, or Spain sound nice, finding a county within this zone and you can travel to your heart's content. Just make sure you get some work done too. Number 4. Canggu, Bali. Bali, in general, is a very friendly place for digital nomads. Tribal Bali is a hostel with a co-working area, specially made for entrepreneurs and travelers from all over the world. It's located in Canggu, which is known for its hip, young vibe and upscale amenities. Dojo Bali is also a Canggu-based co-working hub, so you have options. Your workday may sound like you visited a jacked-up WeWork on steroids, as you sip cold brew and eat vegan snacks and smoothies. And that's when you're not at the on-site pool. This should be particularly interesting to influencers, who should know that some of the best beaches and beach bars and photo ops are in Canggu. We made an entire video on just Canggu, in fact, so check that out if you want to hear more about skate park bars, hidden speakeasies, and everything you need to know and see. Number 3. Canary Islands, Spain. Fun, adventure, affordability. There is plenty to consider when deciding where to go or live as a digital nomad. But don't forget, you still have to pay the bills. That's why considering things like high-speed internet is probably a good idea. Spain offers this and more. You can apply for a self-employment work visa and work in a part of the aforementioned Schengen zone. Like Canggu, you can find many co-working spaces here specifically for digital entrepreneurs. Unlike many co-working spaces in other parts of the world, the ones you'll find on the Canary Islands couple killer internet with killer beach access. Finish your work and explore the island's many coves, waters, white sand beaches, black sand beaches, volcanoes, and more. Number 2. Japan. Japan is somewhat of a tech hub and has some of the fastest internet speeds in the world. So no frozen screens on Zoom calls for you if you choose to work here. Just be ready for a prospering nightlife and the ability to collaborate with like-minded tech heads whenever you're out. In fact, Japan is on Kayak.com's list of top 10 places for remote workers to live. Number 1. Lisbon, Portugal. Also on Kayak.com's list of the top places to live for remote workers is Portugal. In fact, it's number 1 there too. This is because of their digital nomad visa, membership in the Schengen zone so you can further explore Europe, beautiful weather year-round, high amount of English-speaking natives, and the political stability of the area. Internet entrepreneurs from all walks of life have been flocking to Lisbon for years, so you know you can trust their internet infrastructure and the overall quality of life for expats. Despite all of this, Lisbon's cost of living is still relatively low. Overall, living and working in Portugal as a digital nomad is an excellent opportunity. Speaking of opportunities, best opportunities for work and travel? Number 1. Freelance. What's the point of traveling if you're working around the clock? Yes, you need money to travel and support your lifestyle, but you need time as well. Time to enjoy where you are, see and do different things, explore new cultures, and experience something new. That's why so many people enjoy freelance work. Being a freelancer and selling your skills is the easiest way to find a job to do on the go. Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and People Per Hour are just some of the most common freelancing sites where you can both buy and sell gigs. The best part of these sites is people log in every day looking for help in a wide range of services. Are you a good writer willing to lend a helping hand? Maybe you're an expert marketer, or a savvy digital advertiser, a software engineer, or maybe graphic design is something you're good at. No matter what your skills are, there are people online looking for someone just like you to help them. Number 2. E-commerce. If freelance work isn't for you, you could also try starting your own online business. E-commerce sales have only benefited from the pandemic and were trending upwards for decades before that. You can sell your own designs and products on platforms like Etsy or Redbubble. Sites like Shopify, ClickFunnels, and WooCommerce allow you to easily start selling products on your own site, especially if you have no web development or tech background. It's simple. You don't even need your own products. In fact, sites like AliExpress.com offer low-cost products you can buy in bulk or dropship right to your customers. No need to hold inventory or commit to a specific item. They've been around since 2010 and offer thousands of products to choose from and sell. Plus, if you need help advertising or need help with graphic design, you can circle back to the freelance websites we mentioned a moment ago and hire someone there. Now you have more free time and a flexible income. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. If the idea of selling someone else's product sounds good to you, you'll love affiliate marketing. From courses to digital products to bank accounts or brokerage accounts, the list of products you can sell as an affiliate marketer is endless. Most sites, for instance, have a link at the bottom for affiliates to sign up and start selling their products. Or you can join an affiliate network, such as ClickBank or CJ Affiliate, and browse the thousands of products there. Find one that suits your site, podcast, Instagram page, or YouTube channel, and start selling. We'll even leave a few links in the description for different affiliate programs, including Fiverr. Number 4. YouTube. On top of selling other people's products through affiliate links on YouTube, or linking them to your own site so they can buy your merch, you can also make money on YouTube through their AdSense program. As your channel grows and you release more content, you will eventually be eligible to join the YouTube Partners program and monetize your channel. You will need 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 hours watched. But what this essentially means is that you can start having ads played on your videos and collect a share of the advertising revenue YouTube collects. So if you're an expert in something, a great storyteller, or are looking for a platform to repurpose some of your blog material, think about starting a YouTube channel and earning money on the ads that play over your video. Number 5. Influencer. Like being a YouTuber, starting an Instagram page or a TikTok account can be a very rewarding experience. It revolves around you creating content within a specific niche and posting on a regular basis. Over time, as you gain followers, you can start marketing other people's products or selling your own. Best offline jobs for work and travel. If you love to travel but don't work in an online capacity, there are plenty of options for you too. Young adults can serve as an au pair. This is typically someone who lives with a family on a visa for a year or two and helps with childcare. Au pairs are compensated for their time and effort through free housing and a stipend. It's an excellent way to travel and live in another country while still making money. Most au pairs have a few days off a week, usually the weekend, so you can venture out even more and explore your host country. Some of the best places to find au pair work are the US, the UK, Spain, Italy, France, Denmark, Sweden, Finland, and Australia. Most would require you are already fluent in their language, of course. Look for opportunities online at places like aupair.com and more. A flight attendant is one of the best jobs that allows you to travel as part of work. Becoming one depends on the procedures of your resident country. But once you start, you can expect to see a lot of different places right away. If you become a cruise ship worker, then you simply get paid to travel. You'll see many beautiful places and will be interacting with diverse communities. Professions like international aid worker, English teacher, tour guides, writers, and telemedicine allow you to travel while working, or some require you to travel for work. Additionally, you can check out the Peace Corps or organizations like the Red Cross for volunteer opportunities that may require travel. So that's it for today's upload. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any top travel videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care!